Is that more in frame? No? Yes, no? Okay, so today, ta-da! Today I'm going to, excuse me. Today we're going to be using the Ashford electric winder and the Umbrella Swift. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble it and put it together. So I got 2 boxes here and I don't know what's inside of them, so we're gonna figure it out together. So I know that it uses the step pedal, so I'm assuming that's what's in here. So let's go ahead and open that up and take a look-see. Oh. And yeah, so in here we have the step pedal. It's kind of like a sewing machine. That is so cool. It comes with a, I'm guessing this is a clamp. I don't really know what this is, but okay. Maybe I should read the instructions. Ooh, but here's the step pedal, and then it plugs into the machine itself on, yes, man. Where's the place where it plugs in? This is not a sponsored video, if you can't tell. Oh, okay, there it is. So you plug it in to this little adapter and it'll get it started. So, yeah. So do that. So let's undo this. And then we'll have that plugged in. Oh wow, that is really far in there. Okay, make sure I get the right section. Oh, ha! That is not where it goes. Okay, so there's 2 sections. One is for the plug-in, and this is for the foot pedal. It is actually titled for people like me, so thankfully they titled it. So we're gonna plug in the foot pedal, and then we're going to, so then that means this is the power source. So let's open the power source, shall we? There it is, the power source, AC/DC adapter. And then we should be able to use it. Should be ready to use. It's so simplistic. I love how natural it looks. It's made of wood. I looked at tons and tons of different reviews on yarn winders, and this was the only yarn winder that I really truly loved. And you have to get the one that you really want. So either buy nice or buy twice. We've got that done. I guess I didn't need these instructions anyway. Flywheel. Oh, that's what that is. Okay, so this, okay, I do need the instructions. Okay. So it's always important to read instructions. So this goes around this, and I'm assuming you just place it on there, but it seems big. I don't get it. Okay. It says, ooh, it's got a little picture of the Umbrella Swift that I have. It's right here. That's pretty cool. Okay, there's a yarn stand. Well, that's neat. Ooh, and a winder thing. Okay, so it says the drive band, but the drive band looks big. I don't know why it doesn't fit. I don't know how to make the drive band fit. Does anyone else know how to? Oh! Okay, let me do this right. So it goes around the drive band, and it goes around the silver part too. So it fits over both. So there we go, now it's snug. So it fits over the silver piece and the wood, not just the wood. Got it. And I'm assuming this is the clamp. Does this open? Oh, it opens. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness it opens. Okay, so now this, I guess, this helps it clamp to the table so it, like, I guess doesn't go out of control. I can't imagine it going out of control. We're gonna try it without the clamp because this seems pretty heavy duty. So I'm gonna try it without the clamp. And then I'm gonna figure this out. So how do I do this? I guess I do that. Well, that looks simple enough. Okay, then that's done. That was easy. Now for the yarn. All right, so now I have the yarn and I'm going to put this on this so we can wind on this. Okay, and then we'll get started. This is exciting. So I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer so you can kind of see what I'm doing and get a better idea. So yeah. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna first put this on the Swift itself. So I'm gonna undo the yarn and then find the section. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I guess I'm pulling, oh, okay, I don't really know how to work this thing, so we're just gonna do that for now. Put this around it, I guess, right? Okay, and then we're gonna, no wait, that's not how it works. Maybe I should, I don't think this came with instructions. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it manually. Oh, I see something moving. We're gonna push this down, there we go. Now I figured my life out, guys. Oh, what's this do? Does that do anything? No, does this turn? No? How do I lock it in? I don't, do I? I don't know. Okay. If anybody knows how to make this work and they can tell me, that would be great. Okay, yeah, it looks, okay, it looks pretty good to go. So now I'm gonna trim. Oh, I need the instructions again. Okay, let's pull you out this way. And then I'm gonna get the instructions. Okay, so it says locate the clamp, got it. Clamp the winder to the table, not gonna. Place the end of your yarn into the starter slot at the top of the cone. Okay, there we go, I'm in camera now. Check the forward reverse switch is on forward. I guess, what's forward mean? Oh, speed, forward. Forward is the normal way to wind balls. Reverse uses to unwind your ball, but slow the speed at first. Forward is clockwise. Oh, I don't know which one forward is. I'm assuming this is forward? Okay, hopefully so. Okay. And then, okay, it's not on. Speed is slow. Okay, that's good. We'll start out with slow. And then it's saying I have to put it through here to start winding it. Okay. I mean, this is really confusing. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, check the forward reverse did. Hold the yarn at about a 45-degree angle down from the yarn. Encourage the yarn to start forming the ball on the center groove of the cone. It is very important to keep a constant tension on the yarn with your hand while feeding the yarn onto the same position of the yarn guide. So we're going to be holding onto the yarn the entire time. Adjust the speed control to achieve a comfortable speed. As the ball increases in size, twist the yarn guide 90 degrees to avoid it touching the ball. This will occur on balls over 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Turn the motor off to remove the yarn. Take your foot off the pedal and lift the yarn out of the slot. Use both hands, one either side of the ball of the yarn. Gently lift the ball off the cone while keeping the end of the yarn free. I think I got it. Okay. So I'm really scared because I don't understand. I mean, I guess we can just, you know, we'll just try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna trim this part. Okay, and that is the part that starts the yarn. Okay, so then this one is part of the knot. Okay, so there's one, And there's usually one more. And then I'll trim this one. Oop. Okay. All right. Done with that. Now we're going to feed. I'm gonna bring it closer. Okay, that's a little too close for me. Okay, so now we're going to feed. We're gonna trim this spot off. Okay. Don't mind those. Those are our nail pops. We're replacing our nail pops. We had a lot of nail pops. Okay, so I'm gonna feed this. Is this the wrong way? Should I have it turned this way? I think so. Okay, I think I'm supposed to have, I don't know which way it's supposed to be. Oh, okay, it was right. Okay, so, hope it's not too close. Okay, maybe we'll just do it like this. Okay, we'll leave it the way it was. So we're gonna feed it through here, and then, okay, so first we're gonna put this down like this. Then I'm gonna feed it through this, there, I think. I hope so. I hope that's right. Is that right? I don't know. Anyway, okay. There we go. That looks right. So now we're gonna push, oh, it's not on. Okay, we have to turn. Okay, here, let me lower you guys a little bit. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, now we're going to step on the pedal. Okay. Oh, I gotta hold on to the yarn. Oh, it's not on. Maybe I need to put it on a little bit of a higher speed. Let's see. I'm gonna hold it down. Whoa. 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 Okay, I think we can go faster. So let's turn it up a little bit. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Holy cow. So before this, I would hand wind my yarn and it would take me forever. Like forever. Whoa, that is, do you see that? That is crazy. Whoa. Okay, let me get back in frame. Okay, so before I wow, that is, let's see. Oh, do you guys want to go faster? Okay, let's see. Let's go fast. This is as fast as it can go. Oh, shoot. That is insane. Oh my God. Oh God, that is terrifying. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, holy. Oh boy. Okay, now I see why it might need a clamp. Okay, so before, when I would wind my yarn, it would take me forever. It took me like an hour and a half to hand wind my yarn. And before I had an umbrella Swift, I would knot the hank up so bad, and it took me 4 hours one time to hand wind yarn because I knotted it from the hank. I hope this is like okay for the machine to go this fast. Maybe we won't do this speed like all the time, but this is fascinating. I wonder how long it'll take to wind the whole thing up. That is insanely fast. So I was apprehensive of getting a yarn winder. I feel unsafe sitting this close to it. But, oh gosh. Oh. Okay, we're almost done. And it is done. Look at that. Wow. Okay, wow, that is tight. I might have to use 2 hands to get that off. This is what it turned out to look like. look at how cute that is. It's just, it turned out so well. It is like the cutest little cake. It fits in the palm of my hand and it's so tiny, and it made it so perfect. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. Okay, sorry about that. My camera died and then I had to use part of my phone. But the color on my phone was not so good. So I realized why we would have to clamp this, because it kind of rattled into my umbrella and that's not good. But right now they are currently on back order because they are shipping from New Zealand. But I did order mine from this nice lady named Jody, and her store is the spinnerystore.com. So if you are interested in getting one of these items, I would order it from her. She is great and she was so kind, answered all my questions. This isn't a sponsored video. I just thought that she was just so great helping me out, and she was able to ship this to me so fast. So I was really happy about that. So definitely check out her store. She is just great. And so here is how the yarn looks. And I'm really excited about this. It is the cutest. It saved me so much time. This is a complete game changer. So I'm really happy about that. And instead of taking 1 to 4 hours, that's good versus like a really bad day of my life away where I could be spending on knitting. I'm really excited about that. Enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.